Good morning. It is Tuesday, the 4th of June, and the markets this morning, I think the best way to describe them is they're mostly mixed. The grain markets, beans and corn up, wheat down, cotton up some. Uh, as far as the news goes, same news that's been affecting the market recently, and those are two things. One is weather in the Midwest, wet conditions that have slowed down planting, and we're going to go over planting progress and crop progress in just a minute. And the other thing is the trade sanctions. Nothing new coming out. Just it seems like every night there's a slight threat, one country to the other, and that continues. Nothing really that stands out. The most dominant thing in these markets in recent weeks has been weather. Let's just take a look at the global stock markets. Asia was mixed. Europe was up. U.S. was up 146 in the Dow Jones. And cotton right now up 14 in July at 69.56. It made a new high, or a new recent high, overnight in July cotton. It got to 69.91. The low is 68.54. So a pretty big range overnight. December cotton up 12 at 68.09. A high of 68.25. A low of 67.51. July soybeans up 6 1/4 at 8.85 1/4. High of 8.94 1/2. Low of 8.83 3/4. You can see there we were up at 1.15 overnight in soybeans. Continue very volatile weather market. Corn up. Let's see. November soybeans are up 6 at 9.12 1/2 with a high of 9.21 1/4. Corn in July up 5 1/2 at 4.29 3/4. Very close to the low. The low is 4.29 1/2, a high 4.36. At one point, you were up 12 to 13 overnight in corn. Wheat's down 6 in July at 5.13 3/4. The high is 5.29. The low is 5.12 3/4. So at one point, it was up 24 overnight, if I'm reading that correctly. No, at one point overnight, it was up about 22. Crude oil down 48 cents a barrel at 52.77. The dollar's up 10. Gold and silver are mixed, with gold up $1 and silver down 6. And as we mentioned, Dow Jones index up 138. Now, looking at the crop conditions that came out yesterday afternoon at 3 o'clock, some eye openers here. Cotton is on target for planting at 71% planted versus 72% average. Still quite a bit of cotton that has to be replanted in Texas. The squaring is normal for cotton. As far as good to excellent goes, cotton is 46% good to excellent. A year ago, it was 42%. So actually, it's pretty much on schedule here. Soybeans. Right now, the soybean crop, as of yesterday's numbers that came out, were 39% planted. The average for this time of the year is 79% average. And that is very, very, very big, and that's why the bean market has done what it's done lately and probably should do more. The soybean crop is 19% emerged. Normally this time of the year it's 56% emerged. Corn, as far as planting goes, we're 67% planted and running out of time, versus this time of the year normally we're 96% planted. The crop in corn is 46% emerged versus 84% average. Spring wheat, 93% planted. This time of the year is normally 96%, so we've caught up there. The crop is 69% emerged. Normally it's 84% emerged, and spring wheat is 70% good to excellent. So that is it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.